Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best espresso machines available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have Breville Espresso Machine. The Barista Express allows you to grind the beans right before extraction, and its interchangeable filters and a choice of automatic or manual operation ensure authentic cafe-style results in no time at all. The Breville Barista Express delivers third-wave specialty coffee at home using the 4 keys formula and is part of the Barista Series. That offers all-in-one espresso machines with integrated grinder to go from beans to espresso in under 1 minute. This low-pressure pre-infusion gradually increases pressure at the start and helps ensure all the flavors are drawn out evenly during the extraction for a balanced tasting cup. The powerful Steam 1 performance allows you to hand texture microfoam milk that enhances flavor and enables creation of latte art. At number 6 we have Emusa Espresso Machine. The Emusa GAO 18202 electric espresso maker allows you to be a barista at home. You can have fresh espresso in minutes or you can create a homemade creamy cappuccino using the milk frothier. This beautifully designed unit allows you to prepare up to 4 cups of espresso at a time, and has a removable drip tray for easy cleanup. Also features a permanent removable filter basket for the espresso, and the durable plastic exterior protects you from a hot interior. The Emusa Espresso and Cappuccino Maker is the perfect new appliance your kitchen needs. At number 5 we have Galanz Espresso Machine. The Galanz 2-in-1 espresso maker and coffee machine with milk frother helps you easily and consistently brew barista quality coffee drinks. 2-in-1 espresso and coffee maker. You can enjoy both barista quality espresso and drip coffee at home. 1450W powerful Steam 1 froth milk for your favorite coffee drinks like cappuccinos and lattes. Easy to use touch control. You can simply touch the related buttons and you can easily enjoy barista quality coffee drinks at home. 1.2 liters water tank. The Galanz 2-in-1 pump espresso and coffee machine includes a large, transparent 1.2 liters water tank and drip tray. Number 4 we have Mr. Coffee Espresso Machine. You can skip the trip or long lines at the local coffee shop and easily create extraordinary coffee drinks at home with Mr. Coffee One Touch Coffee House. With a simple press of a button, you can make espressos, cappuccinos, and lattes within minutes. You can choose from a single or double shot of espresso and then let the automatic milk frother steam the milk of your choice into a light and airy foam. It comes with a 19-bar Italian pump delivers the optimal amount of pressure to squeeze every bit of flavor from the brew for delicious barista quality drinks. It provides the ideal amount of pressure to extract dark, robust espresso brews. At number 3 we have Mr. Coffee Espresso Machine. Become your own at-home barista with the Mr. Coffee 4-shot steam espresso, cappuccino, and latte maker. It is equipped with a powerful frother. This espresso maker creates rich espressos and lets you whip up lattes and cappuccinos to light, frothy perfection. The powerful steam brewing process makes dark rich espresso and the extra-large portafilter brews up to 4 shots, great for making Cuban coffee. The stainless steel frothing pitcher and integrated frothing wand make it easy to steam and froth milk so you can effortlessly create your favorite cafe-style drinks. The water pitcher includes an easy measuring system to help you use the right amount of water to brew espresso and steam milk to perfection. This espresso maker also includes a convenient measuring scoop for easy coffee scooping and leveling. At number 2 we have Galanz Espresso Machine. You can enjoy flavorful cappuccinos, lattes and more with rich and creamy froth at home using the Steam 1 and milk frother. It is easy to use. Powerful Steam 1 makes the perfect foam for your coffee drinks. You can create barista quality espresso at home. The 15-bar pressure pump has the optimal pressure level for rich tasting espresso. It includes a pressure meter to consistently brew espresso. The Galanz Retro Espresso Coffee Machine has the classic look and feel of the old days but with modern functionality. The transparent 1.5 liters water tank and drip tray are both removable, making them easy to clean at a moment's notice. At number 1 we have Café Espresso Machine. This smart espresso machine that syncs with the Smart HQ app, allowing you to customize drink preferences by volume and strength. With the built-in Steam 1 that rotates in a 180-degree motion for control and convenience, you can get a variety of microfoam textures and thicknesses for lattes, flat whites, cappuccinos and more. The stainless steel conical burr grinder delivers an exact amount of fresh grounds directly into the portafilter, and with 15 grind levels, it provides the ability to dial up a perfect shot. This bar pump slowly increases pump rated pressure to draw out maximum flavor, that's giving you a beautifully balanced cup of espresso. You can enjoy more drinks with fewer refills thanks to a 95-ounce water reservoir. You can easily remove it using the built-in handle to refill and clean it with ease. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best espresso machines for your need.